choose. Or the mystery Mouseketool. Which Mouseketool can Daisy use to tap a rhythm? The tap dancing shoes. You betcha. We got ears. Say cheers. Oh gosh, can we use a glue stick to tell the temperature? Nah, that's silly. Hey, this means it's time for the Mystery Mouseketool. Everybody say, Mystery Mouseketool. Today's Mystery Mouseketool is, wow, a toy thermometer. Can a thermometer help us tell the temperature? It sure can. We got ears. Say cheers. Can a glue stick help us put the tail feathers back on the plane? You betcha.